If a woman wants you to be intimate with her, she may give you some signs through her behavior and body language. She finds excuses to get close to you. If she frequently comes into your personal space, sits next to you, or makes physical contact with you, such as holding hands, touching, it may be a sign that she wants more closeness. She touches you often and seems comfortable. If she doesn't hesitate to touch you and smiles or maintains eye contact each time she does, she has a special chemistry with you. Her conversations become romantic or flirty. If she compliments your body, expresses her feelings openly, or takes an interest in double meaning, it may be a sign that she wants more connection with you. She encourages you, not stops you. If you hold her hand or move a little closer and she doesn't back away but responds with a smile, that's a very positive sign. She initiates. If she takes the initiative to touch you, hug you, or get closer, that could be a clear indication of her intentions. She invites you into her private space. If she asks you to meet alone or invites you to her home and the atmosphere is a little romantic, that could be a sign that she wants emotional and physical closeness. Her eyes and body language speak volumes. Deep gazes, a low voice, slow speech, changes in the pace of breathing. All of these cues could be signs that she wants you to take the next step. If in doubt, it's best to ask. This is not only responsible behavior, but also builds trust in the relationship. If you want, I can make it in a cleaner and social media friendly format.